Being registered with a GP is really important. You should probably do this before you start to feel ill. There are lots of things to consider when deciding which GP to register with. A surgery that is close to where you live is always a good idea. To find surgeries in your area, Google GP near me. Then choose Find a GP Practice on the NI Direct website. For links, check the description down below. Each GP practice covers an area called the practice boundary, and you'll need to live inside the boundary to register. Recommendations from family and friends are always a good place to start and can help you decide what you're looking for in a GP practice. You'll find all of this information on each GP surgery's website. Once you've chosen your surgery, you'll be asked to fill in some details. To find these registration forms, go to the New Patient section of our website. You can either print off these forms from your own computer or collect a copy of these forms from our reception desk. The forms required by Kensington Medical Centre are as follows, and it is really important that you fill these forms in fully and accurately, as an incomplete form will hold up the registration process. Anyone that is currently registered with a GP in the UK needs to complete the HS200 form. If you are not currently registered with a GP, then you are to complete the HSCR1 form. When completing your HS200 form, you will be required to show some ID and have either your H&C number or your NHS number. This is a unique number that identifies you on the NHS system. You'll need these along with details of your last doctor, such as their GP practice name and the GP practice address. Your previous records from your GP will be sent over once you've registered. You will also be offered a new patient screening appointment with our practice team. This blue form is known as the HSCR1. This form is to be completed and filled out by patients who are not already registered with a GP practice within the UK. If you don't live here permanently, or you're only going to be here for a short time, you can still register with a GP, but you won't be able to register as a permanent patient unless you are here for 6 months or more. When completing this form, EU nationals will be required to show proof of entitlement. Proof of entitlement for EU nationals will be pre-settled or settled status under the EU entitlement scheme. Proof for non-EU countries will be biometric resident permits, BRPs, or your visa work permit. Once your forms are completed, the best time to leave these into reception is between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. each weekday. This is an ideal time to attend the practice, as we will be able to spend the necessary time answering any of your questions and begin processing your completed registration forms. If you have any problems completing these forms, you can call a Patient Advice and Liaison Service for help. This is known as BSO Help Desk, and you can call these on 0300 555 0113.